silver futures. In this video, I'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the winner chart. We are in NUGT. We're at oversold levels with the RSI. As with the 4-hour chart, we have approached to NUGT and we're at oversold condition with the RSI. As we extend that once more onto the daily chart, we remain in NUGT, seeing signs of a diverge, and we're approaching to oversold levels with the RSI. We have yet to close above the 18-day moving average, this purple line, at a price of $25.38. As with the trade idea, I'll be trading SLV, and my position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $20.69, my sell target is at $23.16, and my stop loss is at $20.10. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $24.35, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $21.33, and my stop loss is at $25.04. So, whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, silver futures has a 35% chance to climb between 0 to 8.1%, and to the downside a 60% chance to fall between 0 to negative 8.1%, and a 5% chance to fall between negative 16.2% to negative 25.4%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.